Okay, so my name's Graeme Crickett. I am the EVP and head of technical for an engine leasing company based in Amsterdam called SMBC Aero Engine Lease. So we're an engine specialist leasing company. Been going approximately 6 years, the end of 2013. Currently we have about 11 employees and about a capital base of about 450 million and about 45 engines on our portfolio. Okay, so today's presentation is been based around the engine redelivery process. As today, Carol Everest's Everest events, it's about engine leasing, so separation from aircraft leasing, and so engine leasing is a specialisation, and within that the redelivery processes of the engine. So my presentation is not so much of a bullet point, it's more like a casual conversation where I mention the key points and the obligations and the pitfalls that can happen through the redelivery process, which is always pretty flexible. Okay, so I've been doing these now with Carol for quite some years. I'm very supportive. I think this is a good way of getting a low intensity educational system where it cuts across all of the industry, whether you be a lessee, a financier, or anybody who's interested in the leasing community or the aviation industry. I think the best thing that can happen is that if somebody's got any questions and follow-up questions, is the ability for them to directly contact the likes of myself or Carol and get their questions forwarded on and get them responded to, whether or not that's through an email system or a phone call. I'm more than happy to pass on any education, any kind of experiences that I have to the industry as large. I think it's unfortunate there are players in the industry who do, they silo their knowledge and they ring fence it, and I'm not one of those kinds of guys. So I do try and share as much as I can within, commercial limits, of course. Don't want to educate the opposition as much as what they might like. So.